Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Hello everyone, we are very happy to see you today.
Today, we have a very interesting topic.
Yes, we will talk about a big problem.
Many English learners have this problem.
Maybe you have it too.
The topic is, why do you understand English but cannot speak it?
Oh, that is a great question.
Let me ask everyone something.
Okay,
Do you watch English videos?
I do.
Do you understand many words?
Yes, sometimes I understand almost everything.
But when you want to speak English,
My brain says goodbye.
exactly.
I know the words, but I cannot use them.
If this happens to you, write me in the comments right now.
Yes, we want to know how many people have this problem.
And don't forget to like this video.
One like helps more English learners find this channel.
Now, let's talk about the reason.
Why does this happen?
Imagine you watch football every day.
Okay.
You know all the rules.
Yes.
You know the players.
Yes?
But can you play like a professional football player?
No way.
Why not?
Because watching and playing are different,
Exactly.
just like listening and speaking.
Listening is easier.
Speaking is harder.
When you listen, your brain only needs to understand.
But when you speak, your brain must build sentences.
It must find words.
It must remember grammar.
It must move your mouth.
That is a lot of work.
Yes, it is.
So if you cannot speak well yet, do not worry.
It is normal.
Very normal.
Now, I have another question.
Go ahead.
How many English words do you know?
Maybe a few thousand?
Great.
But I only use a few hundred when I speak.
And that is another problem.
Really?
Yes, we call this passive vocabulary.
What does that mean?
It means you know the word when you see it.
But you cannot remember it when speaking.
Exactly.
That happens to me all the time.
It happens to many learners.
So what can we do?
We need speaking practice.
Not more grammar books?
Not first.
Not more vocabulary lists?
Not first.
Then what?
Open your mouth and speak,
Even if my English is not perfect?
especially if your English is not perfect.
That sounds scary.
Yes, but it works.
Mistakes are okay?
Of course.
Really?
Every fluent speaker made thousands of mistakes.
That makes me feel better.
Good.
Friends, if you are afraid of making mistakes, write "I will try" in the comments,
We will read your comments.
and we will support you.
Another problem is translating.
Oh, yes.
Many learners think in their native language first.
Then they translate everything,
This takes too much time.
and the conversation moves on.
Exactly.
So what should we do?
Start thinking in simple English.
A1 English?
Yes.
Like, I am hungry.
Perfect.
I need coffee.
Great.
I have a good day today.
Excellent.
Small sentences are powerful.
Very powerful.
You do not need difficult words.
You only need clear communication.
I think many learners forget that.
They do.
They want perfect English.
But perfect English is not the goal.
Speaking is the goal.
Exactly.
If you agree, give this video a like right now.
It helps the channel a lot.
And it tells us to make more videos like this.
Before we finish, let's remember the most important thing.
Okay?
Understanding English is good,
Very good.
but understanding is not enough.
You must speak too.
Even for 5 minutes a day.
Every day.
Small practice.
Big results.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
We hope this video helped you.
Tell us in the comments what is your biggest problem with speaking English.
We read every comment.
Don't forget to like the video.
Subscribe to the channel.
Before we finish, I want to tell everyone something important.
What is it?
Many people quit too early.
That is true.
They study English for a few weeks,
Then they try to speak.
and when they make mistakes, they become sad.
They think they are not improving.
But learning a language takes time,
Just like learning a sport.
or learning to drive a car.
Nobody becomes amazing in one day.
Exactly.
We need practice.
And we need patience.
Let me ask you something.
Sure.
When babies learn their first language, do they speak perfectly?
No.
Do they make mistakes?
Many mistakes.
Thousands of mistakes.
But nobody laughs at them.
And nobody tells them to stop speaking.
They just keep practicing.
Every single day.
English learners should do the same.
Speak more and worry less.
I like that.
Speak more and worry less.
That should be on a t-shirt.
I would wear that t-shirt.
Me too.
Friends, if you agree, write "speak more" in the comments.
We want to see how many people are ready to practice.
And if this video is helping you, don't forget to hit the like button.
Thank you so much for your support.
Now let's talk about another reason people cannot speak English.
This is a very common reason.
What is it?
Fear.
Ah, yes. Fear is a big problem.
Many learners are afraid of making mistakes.
They want every sentence to be perfect.
But perfection is the enemy of progress.
That's a great sentence.
Thank you.
So what should learners do?
Focus on communication.
Not perfection.
Exactly.
If people understand your message, that is success.
Even if your grammar is not perfect.
Even if your pronunciation is not perfect.
Even if you make small mistakes.
Communication is the goal.
Not perfection.
Let me give an example.
Go ahead.
Imagine you are hungry.
Okay.
You go to a restaurant.
Right.
You say, "I want chicken."
Simple.
Maybe the grammar is not perfect.
But everyone understands.
And you get your food.
Mission complete.
Exactly.
Sometimes simple English is the best English.
I completely agree.
Now, let's talk about confidence.
Many people think confidence comes first.
But that is not true.
Really?
Confidence comes after practice.
Not before?
No.
That's interesting.
Think about riding a bicycle.
Okay.
Were you confident before your first ride?
Definitely not.
Were you nervous?
Very nervous.
But after many rides?
I became confident.
Exactly.
So confidence comes from experience,
Yes.
not from waiting.
Exactly.
Many learners are waiting to feel confident,
But confidence comes from speaking.
not from waiting to speak.
That is a very important lesson.
Friends, if you learned something new today, please give this video a like.
It helps us create more English content for you.
And now I have a challenge.
A challenge?
Yes,
I love challenges.
this challenge is for everyone watching.
Tell us.
Today, speak English for 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes?
Only 5 minutes.
That sounds easy.
You can talk to yourself.
Good idea.
You can describe your room.
Very simple.
You can describe your day.
Also easy.
You can describe your plans for tomorrow.
Great practice.
The topic does not matter.
The speaking matters.
Exactly.
5 minutes today.
5 minutes tomorrow.
5 minutes the next day.
Small actions create big results.
I love that.
Me too.
Let's imagine a student named Alex.
Okay,
Alex studies English every day.
sounds good.
He watches videos.
Great.
He reads books.
Excellent.
He learns vocabulary.
Wonderful.
But he never speaks.
Ah, that's a problem.
After 1 year, Alex understands a lot.
But he still struggles to speak.
Exactly.
Now let's imagine another student.
Her name is Sarah.
Okay,
Sarah studies less.
really?
Yes.
Interesting.
But she speaks every day,
Even if she makes mistakes?
especially if she makes mistakes.
And what happens?
After 1 year, Sarah speaks much better.
Because she practiced speaking.
Exactly.
Practice changes everything.
It really does.
Friends, which student are you?
Alex or Sarah?
Tell us in the comments.
We are curious.
Very curious.
Before we end today's episode, let's remember 3 simple ideas.
Number 1.
Understanding English and speaking English are different skills.
Number 2.
Mistakes are normal.
Number 3.
Speak a little every day.
Consistency is powerful.
Very powerful.
You do not need perfect English.
You need active English.
You do not need more fear.
You need more practice.
You do not need to wait.
You need to start.
Today,
Right now.
even after this video ends.
Exactly.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
And we hope you feel more confident now.
Remember, every fluent speaker started as a beginner.
Every single one.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
And never give up.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video
Subscribe to the channel.
and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Happy learning!
And happy speaking.